Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining this interesting session. Today, we are going to talk about one of the great legend, M.S. Viswanathan. M.S. Viswanathan has done 800 films. He has done it. His career is very long, similar to Kaviஞர் Wali. He had done for 5 generations, 1932 onwards till 2013. He was composing music for many lyrics, and many singers and all became famous because of M.S. Viswanathan. My screen is also shareable, or you are able to view my screen?
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible.
Uh, I would like to say my sincere and heartfelt thanks to Mr. Sivagurunathan of Trichy, who is a great scholar and a music lover, who helped me in selecting these songs. And express my sincere thanks to Dr. Ashokan, who is my great friend, who also agreed to sing a songs, selected songs, and helped me in selecting the song. That is very important because selecting 15, 10 songs out of 2,800 songs and then reasoning it out, discussing it out is very, very difficult. I sincerely thank Dr. Ashokan for doing this wonderful help for me.
Thank you, sir.
So, as we explain again and again, we are saying it because many times the newcomers are coming. We are not translating the Tamil songs. We are only inferring from the Tamil songs composed by the great legend Mr. M.S. Viswanathan. See, the thing is, communication. What is the effective communication? What a sender wants to communicate, the receiver has to understand. Like, one of the great example is M.G. Ramachandran, the great actor of Tamil cinema. He has committed after he became the chief minister, while addressing, before taking the chief ministership, while addressing the audience, he told that the songs which helped him to come up in his life and helped him to become a chief minister. So that was a way at which so powerful. It is not only the song, but also the music, the person who played the song, and all along with the way at which they captured or screen played the song in the movie helped many people to come up in Tamil cinema. The main reason for it is what they infer from that song. Somebody is singing some song, some people will associate themselves with that song in some other situation. Similarly, the song will be same, but everyone look at from different point of view, so they infer what they want to infer. Because of that, these people get motivated, or some people get more satisfaction. Like this, the main contribution, we cannot say that whether it is the lyrics is the main contribution or the playback singer is the main contribution, or even these two people are doing it. Many people get attracted because of the music. Music is inseparable in a song. See, like in communication, all of us knows what is the greater impact in a communication. There are three components. One is who is communicating. Second one is what is communicating. Okay, these two things are contributing to the maximum of 30%. Balance 70% of impact is created how it is communicated. Many times we wrongly infer how it is communicated is very less, who is communicating is very important, and what is communicated is second. It's not like that. According to Harvard research, what is communicated comes second. First is how it is communicated. Here, the songs became so popular because of the music. That's the reason it is called how it is communicated. How the lyrics has been tuned and composing music was done, which makes a huge impact for the people. Okay, so we are going to discuss about what is communicated. We are not going to, but the moment when we play each and every song will be liked by most of you. I would like to go with the first great song from the movie called Balay Pandia, where Dr. Sivaji Ganesan is acting that he is trying to convince, or he is trying to influence his likely father-in-law, and he is singing this song. Over to Dr. Ashokan, please.
நீயே உனக்கு என்றும் நிகரானவன், நீயே உனக்கு என்றும் நிகரானவன், அந்தி நிழல் போல் குடல் வளர்த்த தாயாகி வந்தவன், நீயே உனக்கு என்றும் நிகரானவன். வாய் வேதம் கை நீதி விழி அன்பு மொழி கருணை, கருணை 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 கருணை. வாய் வேதம் கை நீதி விழி அன்பு மொழி கருணை, விழிவாகி முடிவற்ற முதலான இறைவா, நீயே உனக்கு என்றும் நிகரானவன், அந்தி நிழல் போல் குடல் வளர்த்த தாயாகி வந்தவன், நீயே உனக்கு என்றும் நிகரானவன். துதி பாடும் கூட்டம் உன்னை நெருங்காதையா, வெறும் தூபத்தில் உன் இதயம் மயங்காதையா. துதி பாடும் கூட்டம் உன்னை நெருங்காதையா, வெறும் தூபத்தில் உன் இதயம் மயங்காதையா. விதி கூட உன் வடிவை நெருங்காதையா, விதி கூட உன் வடிவை நெருங்காதையா. வினை வென்ற மனம் கொண்ட இளம் கண்டு துணை சென்று வென்ற தெய்வ மலர், நீயே உனக்கு என்றும் நிகரானவன், அந்தி நிழல் போல் குடல் வளர்த்த தாயாகி வந்தவன், நீயே உனக்கு என்றும் நிகரானவன்.
See, in our business, if you are becoming a manager, or if you are owning your own company, or you are a director of your organization, most of the time you get people like this who will try to please you, who will try to do flattery work and make you to feel happy and get the job done. Okay, but many times many people get convinced with their acts and they believe that they are sincerely doing it like this, they are willingly doing like this, but 100% this is wrong. Mostly non-efficient people only will do such things to the bosses or the promoter or the director. Okay, any person who is efficient and who is capable of carrying out the job will not do such things. Okay, so what happens is most of the time the bosses or the directors or the managers or the presidents will get influenced by such act, and which in turn makes them people think that this person is good, that person is capable, this person is doing it, but all these things wrong. So being a business leader, you need to give a focus on your core values, and you need to give importance only for the efficient people. And efficient people, sometimes they may not do what you are saying. That's the reason Philip Kotler says that, like, when you hire a smart people, you don't tell what they have to do. The main purpose of hiring smart people is to make them to do, because they are smarter than you. That's the reason you are hiring them. After you hire them, allow them to do what they are supposed to do, and they will get better results. But most of the times, Indian traditional business people, what they do is they think that we know better than anybody else, and we will like to hire people. The moment that person comes out and says that, and we say, no, you do what I am saying it. In that case, what happens is we are getting into wrong issues, or we are getting into some likely problems. So this is a mistake of the senior person or the director or the president of the company. It is not the mistake of the efficient people. So from this song, what he says is, you don't give importance to the people who are coming and doing flattery work for you. Okay, so That makes a very important thing, because this is very, very critical for your business. The moment you understand who are efficient people and you start respecting those efficient people may not talk always with the sugar coated words. They will talk the truth. The truth sometimes may be bitter, but they are cautioning you. Like earlier, our ancient kings used to have ministers. Those ministers are not afraid of the kings. They will tell to the minister what is right, what is wrong. And any emperor or any king, if you look out, whoever has come up or became successful or became more famous, are all the people who listen to their ministers, who are more intelligent and capable of thinking in multidimensional. Okay, so this is a very important lesson. We can take it from this song. So the next song is a great song, again composed by M.S. Viswanathan, and this song goes like this. Dr. Ashokan, please.
சங்கே முழங்கு சங்கே முழங்கு எங்கள் வாழ்வும் எங்கள் வளமும் மங்காத தமிழென்று சங்கே முழங்கு. எங்கள் பகைவர் எங்கோ மறைந்தார், எங்குள்ள தமிழர்கள் ஒன்றாதல் கண்டு, பொங்கு தமிழர்க்கு இன்னல் விளைத்தால், பொங்கு தமிழர்க்கு இன்னல் விளைத்தால், சங்காரம் நிசமென்று சங்கே முழங்கு. சங்கே முழங்கு சங்கே முழங்கு.
Here he is talking about Tamilians. Okay, Tamilians means I am talking about Dravidas, or three famous kings of Tamil Nadu: Chola, Chera, Pandya. If you look at each king was very, very powerful. Okay, like Pandya king, he has traveled throughout the globe. He has done so much of business throughout the globe. He was there for a long time. Then Cholas were ruling the country for more than some 600 to 700 years. Okay, and the Cholas, especially Rajaraja Cholan and Rajendra Cholan, take these two people, because we have authentic proof for these two people. Karigala Cholan also went up to Himalayas, whereas Rajendra Cholan and Rajaraja Cholan, we have a complete record. These people so fearful. If these people are going against a war with any country, Indonesia, Malaysia, or other places, wherever they went, they used to take everything from India itself, including water and food from India, from their capital, Chola Kingdom, not from their that country. Because in those days, people used to poison the river and poison the ponds and lakes and all, so that the enemies, when they are coming for attack, in case if they drink, if the elephants drink, it will spoil those people's health. So the unity, if these three kings had united, and if they have worked with the unified force, then they could have reached the entire globe also. That is the capability of each kings. But we can infer from this song, at least now we are much more broad-minded. Now we can understand each other. It is no more Chera kingdom or Sora kingdom or Pandya kingdom. It is Tamil Nadu. So if Tamil Nadu, all Tamilians are united, we don't have any enmity among ourselves, no division of caste, community, all these things. That is the capability of Tamilians, okay, and South Indians and the Indians. We can take it for India itself, okay. So what happens is, like, when we are discussing with some of my friends, we had some friends at China and some friends at Malaysia and Singapore also. In Singapore, I was told that Chinese people have a huge business community. Example, if somebody is going for a family and the related people, all will get into one business. Example, shoes. All the shoes sold in and around Singapore belongs to one community of Chinese, or one family of Chinese, one or three families or two families, which is interconnected. Similarly, all the apparels, or that means dress material or trousers or ready-made shirts, like this. So they are united. Now, what they are doing, though, even though they are competing in the same field, that means one guy is having a showroom of Arrow. Another guy is having a showroom of Louis Philippe. Okay, but they are related. They are related by relationship, by means of blood itself. Okay, those people are joining together and coming out with a lot of promotional activities. Like, you buy 3 shirts, you will get 2 trousers from that plant, that shop free, or like that they give a coupon. So that what happens is, combined strength of all these people, they make use of people to buy more, which in turn they are getting dividing among themselves itself. That's a great example, because it's because of the unity. Okay, but British only brought in and seeded into our minds, because they know it very well. The moment if these people are united, we cannot handle. So they divided and ruled entire us by 250 years or so. Okay, so we need to understand the importance of being united and able to fight, especially in these terms now, when the competition is growing up and also opportunity is coming in a big way. We can unite ourselves and we can face the competition as Indians. This is a very good song by Melissa Mamanar, M.S. Viswanathan. Third song, over to Dr. S. Ashokan, please.
குறுக்கு வழியில் வாழ்வு தேடிடும் குருட்டு உலகமடா, இது கொள்ளையடிப்பதில் வல்லமை காட்டும் திருட்டு உலகமடா. தம்பி தெரிந்து நடந்து கொள்ளடா, இதயம் திருந்த மருந்து சொல்லடா. இருக்கும் அறிவை மடமை மூடியே இருட்டு உலகமடா, வாழ்வில் எந்த நேரமும் சண்டை ஓயாத முரட்டு உலகமடா. தம்பி தெரிந்து நடந்து கொள்ளடா, இதயம் மருந்து சொல்லடா.
Some of you may be knowing about it, some of you may not be knowing about it. See, the thing is, this is a puzzle. If you want to enter it to the center, so what happens is, most of the time we take the least resistant path. This is how we do the business. Whenever the problem comes, we always take the least resistant path, because we believe it is very easy to overcome the obstacles, because the resistance is very less. It appears to be resistance less path, but the moment in the same figure, if you see it, the resistance path will be like this. This is the longest path you take. This is not the shortest path, but it is less resistant. But less resistance, it will have a lot of problems inside. Okay, many times we get into the path because it is least resistant, which in turn we are inviting problem. Great example for this is Chakravyugam in our Mahabharata. That is a war strategy adopted by Indian. This is the way they keep the entire king over here and protect the king like this. So the opponent king thinks that easy way to reach is going over here and go the moment they will keep a very strong army here, it will get diverted. They cannot enter like this. They are forced to go like this. But the moment if he goes like this and you see it, he will come out of the circle, and you can see it. It really comes out of the circle. So he takes a long time to reach the center. Before that, 90% chances are there that person gets killed. So that is the reason it is called Chakravyugam. Okay. So in business also the same way. You should never take the least resistant path. The least resistant path appears to be easy, but the moment you enter into that, you get trapped. Okay. So which we are going to see at many other points, and that time I will explain that also. So the way how to break Chakravyuga, many people ask me. So I am giving an answer. So if you go this way, why you take this path, you think that first layer, second layer, third layer, you need not cut, and you have to cut only 1, 2, 3. 3 layers, if you cut, you can enter into the center. No. So you have to go through this. You have to cut 7 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to go to the center. So if you go this, it is easier rather than going through this method. So even though it is not the easy method, that is the correct method to penetrate into a Padma Vyuha. Okay. One of the best song, because most of us in business, because people become sick, or the company is not doing well because of this reason. Over to Dr. Ashokan, please.
வரவு எட்டனா செலவு பத்தனா அதிகம் ரெண்டனா கடைசியில் துண்டனா 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 நிலைமைக்கு மேலே நினைப்பு வந்தால் நிம்மதி இருக்காது ஐயா நிம்மதி இருக்காது அளவுக்கு மேலே ஆசையும் வந்தால் உள்ளதும் நிலைக்காது அம்மா உள்ளதும் நிலைக்காது வயசுக்கு மேலே உலகத்தில் உள்ள நல்லது பிடிக்காது மாமா நல்லது பிடிக்காது.
Many times in business, what happens is we have cash flow problems. When we have a cash flow problem, we think that, okay, we can take overdraft, or we can take a credit, or we can take a loan, or we can take some interest, or we will do. Why you are doing all these things? Because you are not planning it before starting the business, or you are not planning your expenses. The expenses start to bloat if you spend more than what you have. Learn how to plan your budget and live with it. Most of the time, 92% of the Indian business people do not have a proper budget. They do not plan. The moment you want to make a budget, you need to plan your activities. What are the likely activities you want to do it? How much it will cost? What is the total cost associated with that? And creating a budget. Many times the people will not create a budget, because the moment you create a budget and if you ask for investment, the management will say that whether it is as per the budget or above the budget or below the budget. And if you say that it is as per the budget, okay, you are as per the budget you want to spend. As per the budget, have you brought in revenue into your organization? This is a catch. Since the people are not ready to commit themselves, how much money they are ready to bring into the organization, they don't want to agree for a budget. So that is the biggest problem. How you can plan your expenses without knowing what is the money you are likely to get. So when you are making a budget, you should also budget your income. When you are creating a budget for your income, what you are doing is you are likely to create what is your monthly earning, expected earning. The moment monthly expected earning, you know what is your monthly expected contribution. On that, what is the expected expenses? Still, are you going to make it a profit? So every month, if you are making it, then it is called detailed budget. So it is always better to have a weekly review of your budget. It is always recommended to have weekly review of budgets. And you ensure that every week, you have only 52 weeks in a year. Every week you are within the budget. Within the budget, not only for the sales, but also for income, but also for the order booking, but also for all other activities, whatever you are planning it. Okay. The moment you are doing it, you need not worry about your earnings. Earnings will automatically more. Expense will be always under the control. Otherwise, you will have to spend beyond your earnings, which in turn put your company as well as you into big problem. Okay. So this is a very important lesson we can learn from this song. Next song, Dr. Ashokan, please.
யாதும் ஊரே யாவரும் கேளிர் அன்பே எங்கள் உலக தத்துவம் நண்பர் உண்டு பகைவர் இல்லை நன்மை உண்டு தீமை இல்லை யாதும் ஊரே யாவரும் கேளிர் அன்பே எங்கள் உலக தத்துவம்.
Many times we think that we are divided. No, earlier we used to have it. We say that no, we belongs to some. I was listening to one of the very good webinar addressed by one of the great archaeologists of India. According to them, he has a proof and he has given submitted some papers. That papers are published in the world-renowned research journals and all. Sumeria civilization, that is before Sindhu civilization, Sumeria civilization was approximately 2,500 years old. According to them, 3,300 years onward, the Sumeria civilization started, it seems. And that was started by 3 groups of people who come to Sumeria, and they have influenced the thing and they created the civilization. the three groups, the names were given and the names were looking like Tamil names. Okay. So, according to his theory, the Tamilians who went 4,500 years before created that civilization. That means those people had civilization at Tamil Nadu. They went to another country. That's the reason he was proving it. Even at Egypt, even at China, even at other countries, the civilization has lot of similarity between Tamil culture and Tamil languages. So today in this modern world, every religion or every country, we simply call it as not a world, it is called as a global village. It is a global village. Even for this webinar, you see it, many people across the world are attending this webinar, and why it is like-minded minds are available. So that is the collaboration. So that is the collaboration we can make use of. Similarly, you have like-minded person, maybe in Africa, maybe in Australia, maybe in USA, New Jersey, or maybe in Germany. Okay, getting connected with those people, you are going to become more successful. So you don't have any enemies at all. You have all friends. The moment you have all friends, it is very easy to do business. One great example is Madura Travels owner, Mr. MKT Balan. He was describing about his story, how he became. When he came to Chennai, he didn't even have 10 rupees to make his living. So in the night, what happened is he slept in one roadside. Morning around 7 o'clock, somebody woke him up. So he got up and he gave that person, the person who woke him, gave him 1 rupee or 2 rupee. I don't remember the exact amount. And he was wondering it, what is this? I am sleeping in the road. This fellow is waking up and giving me 1 rupee. And he came to know that place was American consulate. So the people have to come and stand in the queue for getting into that morning 9 o'clock. So 7 o'clock he was laying down. So he woke him up and he paid him 1 or 2 rupees, and he stood instead of that. Then he realized that he immediately started occupying more by having bricks and all. And for every brick, he started collecting money. He earned money out of it. And later he come up and he became very good. The person who connected with all these people, then he started understanding what is the reason of at that point. It is the purpose of going into American embassy. You have to get a visa. Then only he came to know what is visa. Oh, for travel to foreign country, you need to get a permission from that country. Oh, this is America. Many people want to go to America. So what happened is he created a chain network of people. By this way, what happened? He gradually improved the business. Today, he is supposed to be a great travel agent. Today, he's Mr. MKT Balan can travel to anywhere in the world free of cost. Anywhere in the world free of cost, because his Madura Travels books so many air ticket bookings. Okay, because of the network he has created with all the people with whom he worked with them earlier stage. Okay, he has expanded the business in such a way. Today he is a multi-millionaire. He is a multi-millionaire. And how he has become? Because of his way of thinking it, working with the people as collaborative way. And what are the ways? He get connected with the person. Okay, then taxi, then air booking, then now top board integration, bottom board integration, side board integrations, all these things he has done. So because of his network, he can connect it with the entire globe. So a person, just imagine a person who has come to Chennai some 35, 40 years before without 10 rupees. Today he is running a big travels organization called Madura Travels because of his network and because of his collaboration with all the people without investing from his pocket. So that is very, very important, because it was old to invest everything from your side. The moment you start investing everything from our side, what happens? The risk is also with you only. Whereas you are collaborating, you are not taking any risk, and who is collaborating is also not taking risk, because he is going to share the resources for which he is employed that resources for some other purpose. Additional work only those people are going to do it. So they are not going to incur a huge loss. Even if they make a loss, the loss is divided into 5 people or 7 people. It is very, very less as against invested by yourself and incurring the entire loss on you. It makes a huge sense. Okay. So it is always recommended. Now we need to switch over. You have seen it 3 songs before. And there was a song where I explained the explanation about Chinese businessman in Singapore, how they are collaborating. Even though they are competitor, they are collaborating so that the risk is minimized, the stock is centralized. All these things they are doing it. Why they are doing it? So that everyone can grow. Rather than fighting, they decided to work together. Okay, so that is a very important lesson. We can take it from this song. This is the most beautiful song. Yeah, Dr. Ashokan, please.
தெய்வம் தந்த வீடு வீதி இருக்கு, இந்த ஊர் என்ன சொந்த வீடு என்ன, ஞான பெண்ணே வாழ்வின் பொருள் என்ன, நீ வந்த கதை என்ன, தெளிவாக தெரிந்தாலே சித்தாந்தம், அது தெரியாமல் போனாலே வேதாந்தம், மண்ணை தோண்டி தண்ணீர் தேடும் அன்பு தங்கச்சி, என்னை தோண்டி ஞானம் கண்டேன், இதுதான் என் கட்சி. உண்மை என்ன பொய்மை என்ன, இதில் தேன் என்ன, கடிக்கும் தேள் என்ன, ஞான பெண்ணே வாழ்வின் பொருள் என்ன, நீ வந்த கதை என்ன, தெய்வம் தந்த வீடு வீதி இருக்கு.
As the manager or the president or a director, the moment he grows up in the organization, he lost in touch with the frontline people. Okay, because between them or a director and the frontline salesman, there will be a set of people between the managers and the area managers, regional managers, general managers, like that they'll be having it. Okay, so everyone, if you take an example of this picture, what happens is a person looks at from it's a cylinder. Okay, when you're looking at a cylinder from the circle point of view, you will get a circle and you think that it is a circle. Of course it is a circle. From this point of view, it is a circle. So this is a true. Okay, from this point of view, it is circle. Okay, some other person, what happens is the marketing point of view. The marketing point of view is correct if you look at from marketing point of view. Similarly, a manufacturing point of view, if you look at from this side, it looks like a cylinder. Correct? It looks like a rectangle. So when it looks like a rectangle, what happens is this side is correct. This from manufacturing point of view, this is right. So the marketing will always say that no, we are seeing only circle. Whereas the manufacturing will always see that we are seeing only the rectangle. Okay, but the truth is what is the customer point of view. It is immaterial whether your marketing point of view is right or your manufacturing point of view is right. It is your customer point of view is right or wrong only decides your success or failure. So the customer point of view is totally different. It is neither a circle nor a rectangle, but it is a cylinder. Cylinder is totally different. It is not rectangle. It is not circular. It's a combined of both the scales. So this is called truth. So in business, your marketing people can keep on saying anything. Your manufacturing people can keep on giving you a lot of information. Why it cannot be done, why it is going to be this. It is all immaterial as long as you are going to see the truth, what is the customer point of view. If you are not going to focus on your customer point of view, definitely you are not going to exist in the business. Example, you can say plenty, like you take Kodak, you take Motorola, you take Nokia, you can keep on saying it. Okay, all these people, what they thought that no, customer point of view is not important. Marketing people told that this is going to be huge potential for selling lot of Polaroid cameras. People believed that, they went ahead. Some people told that no, still the film will be useful, so the people believed in. So nobody was ready to believe the concept of digital cameras. So that is the reason Kodak was closed. Okay, so when your business point of view also, you should have. That's the reason if you see great organization, the people will go and meet customers. I will give a very good example. One vice president of Tata Motors, every day lunch he is supposed to have a lunch with the senior executive. That means president of all the Tata Group company in Jamshedpur, it seems. But every day at 12:30, 12:45, he will take a car and vanish, and he will come back after lunch. Everyone was finding it where he is going, what he is doing it. For the past 3 months he is doing like this. One day Tata Group sent a team to find out where he is going and having lunch, and they are surprised to see the president of a Tata Motor company changes his dress and attire and goes and have lunch in a dhaba along with many of the Punjabi and all North Indian drivers, and people are coming in the trucks. When they sit in chit-chatting with the truck drivers, he found out what is the problems they are facing, what are the points they can improve on their vehicle. Okay. That is the way you should work. That is the way, looking at from customer point of view. Even though he was the head of marketing, he didn't listen to his people. He didn't listen to the marketing manufacturing people. He went and talked to the customers, but he never revealed that he is the vice president or president of that group. He has revealed as a another person. So those people told, oh, the gear shifting is very difficult. Cabin is too congested. We are not able to have proper ventilation is not there. All these things. That is the reason the modifications we kept on improved. Okay, so that is very important for our business. The next song, Dr. Ashokan plays.
வாழ நினைத்தால் வாழலாம், வழியா இல்லை பூமியில். ஆழக்கடலும் சோலையாகும், ஆசை இருந்தால் நீந்தி வா. பார்க்க தெரிந்தால் பாதை தெரியும், பார்த்து நடந்தால் பயணம் தொடரும். பயணம் தொடர்ந்தால் கதவு திறக்கும், கதவு திறந்தால் காட்சி கிடைக்கும். காட்சி கிடைத்தால் கவலை தீரும், கவலை தீர்ந்தால் வாழலாம். வாழ நினைத்தால் வாழலாம், வழியா இல்லை பூமியில்.
What he is saying is, in our business, many of the time, whenever we say it, no, what is your vision? People does not have any clear vision. That's the reason I'm saying that you should have a vision clear. First, you're a businessman. Take time. Take time for 2-3 days. Write down your vision. So long you are not having it, it's okay. But now you write down your vision. The moment you make a clear vision, what you want to be, that is, the vision is a long-term statement. I would recommend long-term is only 3 years. No more 7 years plan at all. I would recommend to have everyone to have only 3-year plan. Okay. After 3 years, 2020 now, 2023 September or October, where I would like to be. You fix it up. And while fixing up, try to find out whether it is smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and it is time bound. Okay, you fix it up. The moment you fix your vision, that is where you want to go, that it will guide you how to go there. That is called a mission. So once you fix where you want to go, those destinations will tell you how to go, because it guides you through your business practices. Okay. The moment you know where you want to go, how you are going to go there also, guided by values of your organization. What value you are going to be. You are going to be a high value oriented organization, or it can be any of your values. It can be profit oriented, it can be service oriented, it can be manufacturing quality related oriented, or whatever it may be. But that value systems should support it. And with a great passion, you have to work out your action plan. Passion means there is no need to somebody to remind you what you are supposed to do. So all roads that lead to success have to pass through hard work. So automatically, with passion, all your action plans can be worked out. The moment you work out everything, that is what here he is saying it. பார்க்க தெரிந்தால் பாதை தெரியும், பார்த்து நடந்தால் பயணம் தொடரும், பயணம் தொடர்ந்தால் கதவு திறக்கும், கதவு திறந்தால் காட்சி கிடைக்கும், காட்சி கிடைத்தால் கவலை தீரும், கவலை தீர்ந்தால் வாழலாம். So if you have a vision, that vision itself directs you to create a proper missions which guided by the values of your company or your organization or yourself, supported with passion, can create a huge, good, relevant action plan for this year. So the vision is for 3 years, action plan is for 1 year, which will be reviewed every week or every month at least initially. But after you grow up, every week you have to review your plans. Okay. Through, we think that no, we need not pass through the hard work. We can bypass it and we can go over. No, you have to pass through. While what is the passing through? It can be a flyover, or it has to be a lower bridge, or it can be some other method. But anyway, you have to cut across your heavy traffic through the hard work only and to reach the destination. Next song, beautiful song. Over to Dr. Ashokan, please.
உள்ளத்தில் நல்ல உள்ளம் உறங்காதென்பது வல்லவன் வகுத்ததடா கர்ணா, வருவதை எதிர்கொள்ளடா. தாய்க்கு நீ மகன் இல்லை, தம்பிக்கு அண்ணன் இல்லை, ஊர் பழி ஏற்றாயடா, நானும் உன் பழி கொண்டேனடா கர்ணா, உன் பழி கொண்டேனடா. மன்னவர் பணியேற்றும் கண்ணனும் பணி செய்ய உன்னடி பணிவானடா கர்ணா, மன்னித்து அருள்வாயடா கர்ணா, மன்னித்து அருள்வாயடா. செஞ்சோற்று கடன் தீர்க்க சேராத இடம் சேர்ந்து வஞ்சத்தில் வீழ்ந்தாயடா கர்ணா, வஞ்சகன் கண்ணனடா கர்ணா, வஞ்சகன் கர்ணனடா.
See, gratitude, he talks about gratitude in this song. Okay. Even though every one of us knows Karnan, but in the heart of Tamilians, the moment we say Karna, he will remember, all of us remember Shivaji Ganesan only. We do not know how real Karnan was, look alike. Okay. But we remember actor, the great legend Shivaji Ganesan only as Karnan. Okay. This Karnan, if you see the character of Karnan, okay, what happens is he is a good man. He doesn't have done any sins, or he is not a person who create problem for others. But what happens is, from the birth, nobody used to respect him because of different reasons. We need not get into the reason of the story and all the things. But what happens is, he is so committed, he was so gratitude, even though he knows that his own brothers he has to fight, and there is a possibility you are likely to kill all the people, he was ready to do it because he was supported by one of his friend when he was in trouble. Okay. Today you can see it. Many of the industrial people will be saying it. Okay, I am thankful to so and so because that person helped me to grow in my organization. That person helped me to improve myself. That company helped me. That company supported. They are very sincere, and many people we can see it because the Indians are more emotionally bonded with that organizations. Not like Europe, not like those people. Those people, they don't have any emotional sentiment. They are only relationship. They are only business terms. Okay, if they are not making profit, they will move on. Whereas here, what happened? Even the buyer or the buyer is originally supported earlier, but later they are not able to grow. Again, those people support them back. I know one of the very big group. Okay, that group got into some problem. That group was making a lot of products. That group got into problem, and the people who supplied lot of components could not collect their money. He could not collect the money. Most of the time, what happens is, Traditional other business people, they will serve the yellow notice and they say that we became bankrupt and the people will not get any money. But what a wonderful person that the one of the director of that organization, who is a owner also, he called people who are the suppliers, major suppliers, and he explained the entire process, how they became suddenly not able to pay because the money got stuck in different places. And he requested, okay, support me for a few years. Okay, definitely I will pay back your money and also pay back with the interest. Okay, the way at which he communicated, these people, what happened is the people who are the suppliers who are supposed to get the money, they are not getting money for which they are fighting. They got convinced and agreed to supply additional material. With that, they rebuilt the organization. It's a very famous group. I know it personally. That group has rebuilt the entire organization. It has went to BFR. Okay, BFR means it is almost closed condition. And after that, they revived the entire organization. Now this business, that group is doing over 1,000 crores because of their suppliers. Because these people, the buyer and a supplier relationship was so bonded, and he was able to explain. But this is slowly decreasing in India. It is more related to business terms. Okay. But the moment you are into a collaborative mode of doing business, okay, you understand your supplier's problem, supplier understands your buyer's problem. All these things, it will be, they adjust each other. A business is more and more, it is adjusting each other, helping each other, and growing only. It is not like pulling each other's leg. Okay, so that's very, very important. Okay, so gratitude is very important. This is a most beautiful song. Over to Dr. Ashokan, please.
உலகத்தை அறிந்தவன் துணிந்தவன் அவனே கவலை இல்லாத மனிதன் போவதைக் கண்டு கலங்காமல் வருவதைக் கண்டு மயங்காமல் மெய் தளராமல் கை நடுங்காமல் உண்மையை பொய்யை உணர்ந்தவனே கவலை இல்லாத மனிதன். வாழ்க்கை என்பது நாடகமே, வந்து போனவர் ஆயிரமே, கொண்டு சென்றவர் யாரும் இல்லை, கொடுத்து போனதும் நினைவும் இல்லை. அந்த நாடகம் இன்னும் முடியவில்லை, மறுநாளைக்கும் வருவதும் தெரியவில்லை. கவலை இல்லாத மனிதன், உலகத்தை அறிந்தவன் துணிந்தவன் அவனே கவலை இல்லாத மனிதன்.
See, the person who is not having any worries. Why the worry comes? We go to the basics of worry. If a person treats success and failure same, if you treat both success and failure same, that means when you get success, don't be over joyful, and if you fail, don't broke down. That's what we mean it over here. A person who treats success and failure same and learn it as an experience. Okay, so what happens is he will not have any problem because he will never have an worry, because even a failure, what happened, it is a lesson he learned. That is how he take it. He doesn't take it as a failure is a bigger problem and I am going to get into deep trouble because of this failure. No, it is the way he learns it in such a way. So you have to treat both success and failure as the same way. But it's very difficult to practice, very difficult to adapt, very difficult to adjust and come to this mental attitude. But it is always good. You know, the moment you start understanding success is also an experience, failure is also an experience. Okay, you cannot always win. You will win sometime, you will lose sometime. The moment you understand you are likely to lose sometimes, you are ready to face that failure. But most of the time we are not ready to face the failure, and we are ready to fight for the failure, and we try to change it. You cannot change it. We have to understand and accept it. There are some things in your life which is beyond your control. There are some things in your life which is under your control. The maximum what you can do is you can increase your circle of influence more and to reduce the damage what can happen because of your failure. But you cannot completely avoid the failure. Okay, but you should understand this. So to understand that, you have to come to a mindset of treating both success and failure as a same way. Okay, so that is the input from this song. Over to the next song, Dr. Ashokan, please.
உலகம் பிறந்தது எனக்காக, ஓடும் நதிகளும் எனக்காக, மலர்கள் மலர்வது எனக்காக, அன்னை மடியை விரித்தாள் எனக்காக. உலகம் பிறந்தது எனக்காக, ஓடும் நதிகளும் எனக்காக. காற்றில் மிதக்கும் ஒலிகளிலே, கடலில் தவழும் அலைகளிலே, இறைவன் இருப்பதை நான் அறிவேன், என்னை அவனேதான் அறிவான். இறைவன் இருப்பதை நான் அறிவேன், என்னை அவனேதான் அறிவான். உலகம் பிறந்தது எனக்காக, ஓடும் நதிகளும் எனக்காக.
This is a great motivational song. Okay, we call it as an optimism. The moment you think that you are optimist, then what happens is that is a faith you have on your idea, on your thought, on your dream. Okay, that itself will lead to achievement. So the people who succeed are not the ones who avoid failure. They are the ones who learn how to respond to the failure with optimism. Okay, how to respond to the failure is taking it as a learning. Okay, that is the people. So optimist is what we say is, it is not the person who thinks positive. Thinking positive does not help. Please understand. That's the reason we use the word optimism. Think positive will not help. Think positive can keep your mood better. But being optimist, the moment you are optimist, you will look out what are the possible things can happen. So you work for each and every path and choose the best path to achieve your dream. Okay, as I explained you over many times, we learn, and you know it if you have self belief in you. And if you have self belief, that good thoughts will come to you. The moment you are getting a good thought, please understand, the thought itself comes to you because of the ability you possess to carry out the dream. Otherwise, the dream itself will not come to you. The dream itself coming to you because you have the ability to carry out the task. Okay, this is called law of attraction. Law of attraction. You expect something, it will happen automatically. And it is because universe doesn't understand your language, doesn't understand anything. Whatever you wish, the universe will give it. You can, because we have proved it beyond doubts. Many times we have proved it, even these programs itself. Law of attraction will influence so much. Okay, so this law of attraction is basically what you are wanting it, make it clear and pass it to the universe, and universe will provide you. Okay, no need to worry about that. So basically, how you are going to be successful in your life and business is how you respond to the failure with optimism is the only way to become successful. So if you say it, what is the summary of lessons we learned from this session, especially with MS Viswanathan sir? Okay. See, all the songs you listen, we remember the songs. But what we think is, we listen the song, we hear the song. There are two different. The moment you hear a song, it doesn't go into your heart, doesn't go into your mind. The moment you listen to the song, it goes into your heart, it goes into your mind. Okay. you can pick up very good things. From the first song, you understood that you have to respect talent and give importance only to the talent. You do not fall for the flattery. Second song, which makes very clear, unity is strength. Okay. And the third songs, he has explained it, never take the easy routes. And the fourth song, review your balance sheet every week, because Kasaitan Kadavulada, or the song what we talked, okay, and have collaboration for a long-term success. That is the fifth song. And the sixth song is truth is very important. Customer point of view, okay, it is your point of view is immaterial, okay, that is only a, it is a true, but truth is different and true is different. To achieve what you want to do is you need to have a clear vision, supported with a mission, supported with values and action plan to get the vision. And gratitude will always help. Okay. And ninth song we learned, treat success and failure in the same way. And the last song, Ullagam Pirandhathu Enakkaga, law of attraction. The moment the law of attraction, if you understand the law of attraction, you can understand and you can demand and you can get whatever you dream it. Okay. So with this, we end our session, and we sincerely thank everyone, especially to Dr. S. Ashokan, who rendered these beautiful songs, and for the last songs, he played it with karaoke. Thank you so much. And we are now available for your clarifications. And whoever want to ask question can raise the hand. One of us will unmute you. So we will go with the persons who joined today. Subrayan Swaminathan.
Hello.
Yes, please. Go ahead, sir.
Beautiful songs. Selection of songs is apt, and the relation with the management principles is exactly what a common man like me. It's very nice. Extremely good.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mr. Janak Kumar, and we are unmuting you.
Thank you. Very interesting topic. Anytime for MS Viswanathan or Kannadasan. So, a lot of takeaways. Thanks. I think there was a question from one Mr. KK. In case if you can go to the chat box and answer him.
Yes, we will see it.
சார் வணக்கம் சார்.
வணக்கம்
சார், நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி இந்த பேமெண்ட் டேர்ம்ஸ் வந்து சப்ளையர்ஸோட வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பேண்டமிக் பீரியட்ல வந்து ரொம்ப டஃப்பா இருந்தது சார். நான் என்ன பண்ணேன், ஒரு சப்ளையருக்கும் 30 days கிரெடிட் கேட்டேன் சார். கண்டிப்பா நான் வந்து பில் டு பில் பண்ணிட்டு நான் உங்ககிட்ட மெட்டீரியல் எடுத்துக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அதே மாதிரி பண்ணும்போது அவங்களும் அதை ஒத்துக்கிட்டாங்க சார். அதே மாதிரி நான் இப்போ வந்து கரெக்டா அவங்களுக்கு பண்றேன். எனக்கு வந்து மெட்டீரியலும் எனக்கு கரெக்டா வந்து சேர்ந்துட்டு இருக்கு. கண்டிப்பா இந்த நேரத்துல வந்து அந்த பிசினஸும் எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு நல்ல நிலைமையில பண்ண முடியுது சார். வாட் யூ ஆர் டோல்ட் இஸ் 100% கரெக்ட் சார். நம்ம வந்து ஒரு சப்ளையர்ஸோட ஒரு கொலாபரேஷன் ஆகணும்ன்ற மாதிரி, அதே மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல குவாலிட்டியான மெட்டீரியல் தான் சப்ளை பண்ணணும்ன்றதையும் வந்து நான் இந்த நேரத்துல விட்டு கொடுக்கல சார். அவங்களும் வந்து எனக்கு வந்து குவாலிட்டியான மெட்டீரியல்ஸும் கொடுத்தாங்க சார்.
Very good, very good, very happy, and keep continuing it. You have trust on your product and you trust your people, and they will also understand your problem and they'll support you. Thank you very much, Mr. Giri Selvaraj.
Dr. Kumar, one Mr. KR has asked, true and truth are different, just to clarify.
Okay, I'm just going for that. When it is a three-dimensional drawing, if you keep a cylinder and if you see the cylinder from circle point of view, that means you will see the circle only. This is a perspective view we call in engineering. The moment you see it from this side, you will see a circle only. Whereas the same cylinder, if you see it from this side, you will see a rectangle. Okay, because you keep it little away from you, what you can see is, if you keep a pen little away from you, just see it on a engineer's point of view. You have to draw it in a two-dimensional. Then what you will see a rectangle, but it is not rectangle, correct? Similarly, if you see it tilt the pen like this, and what you will see is, you will see a circle only. One small round will be seeing it. Maybe 1.5 centimeter diameter circle you will see it, but it is not circle also. The truth is your pen. That means which is cylinder. It is not rectangle, not circle. But when you are seeing from a circle point of view, you are going to see the circle only. When you are seeing the lengthwise, you are seeing a rectangle. So that is called point of use. Point of view of marketing person will be different. Point of view will be manufacturing person will be different. Both are immaterial. The most important thing is you have to see what is the truth. That is customer point of view. So your marketing person point of view is immaterial. Your manufacturing person's point of view is immaterial. But what your customer says, that is the most important one. Okay. Hope I clarified to Mr. KR. Mr. D. Kumar, thank you, sir. He's a great friend from Institution of Engineers. Sir, you can ask your question, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
The program super இருக்கு.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, questions ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Yeah, Mr. Tanu here wanted to answer. I am unmuting you, sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
most important, Dr. Kumar,
Yes, sir.
about MS Vishwanathan is you are God-fearing, and that gave him a lot of self-confidence, and you could see the reality through the grace of God. I even had an occasion to meet him in Guruvayur, and I was there, and he's a wonderful man, a man with simple habits, at the same time tremendous faith in God. The second thing I want to say is the concept of marketing and sales should not be mixed up, because mostly people think marketing is sales. If the marketing is done properly, marketing means finding out the needs of the customer, the particular mood in the market, and therefore adjusting your production according to the mood of the customers, then only the sales will be effective. So in many big companies, you have marketing as a completely different setup than sales. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, Iyer, sir, because we are honored to have you every program. Even at the age of 88 years, you are attending all our programs and being with us and guiding and motivating us. It inspires us a lot. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Is there anybody else who would like to ask some questions? Dr. Ashokan, is there any questions in the chat box?
No, sir. No question.
Mr. Monikam,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon.
நான் பார்த்துட்டு தான் கண்டினியூ பார்த்துட்டு தான் இருக்கிறேன் நிறைய இடத்துல. இட் இஸ் வெரி நைஸ். இந்த பெர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ் இருக்குங்களா, இந்த ட்ரூ அண்ட் ட்ரூத் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா,
ஆமா சார்.
ரியலி இட் இஸ் அ வெரி ஐ டிடன்ட் திங்க் தட் மேபி இது இன்ஜினியரிங் பேக்ரவுண்ட் தான், பட் இந்த இது வந்து வியூ வந்து டோட்டலி இட்ஸ் அமேசிங் தட் த பெர்ஸ்பெக்ஷன் இது இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா.
கரெக்ட் சார், கரெக்ட்.
வெரி நைஸ். யா, தேங்க்யூ சார். நல்லா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கு, நானும் வாட்ச் பண்ணிட்டே தான் இருக்கேன் நான்.
Okay.
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Okay. Dr. Ashokan, I think, is there any questions in the chat box? Otherwise, we can wind the show.
I will give you the YouTube channel ID so that people can subscribe it. Okay.
So thank you so much. And from the heart of Dr. Ashokan and myself, we sincerely thank for your time and being with us and for enjoying this program. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.